It's a pleasure to be here with you. It's a pleasure to support Connect here with this journey, with their journey. I still remember the day they applied to our funding round and we were reviewing their idea, which was at a very nascent stage at that point in time, approximately 12-13 months ago. And it has been an immense pleasure for me to see them growing, and not just growing, but making an impact. This partnership, which Connect here has, if guided by empathy and purpose, can create a long-lasting social impact. This project, which is leveraging artificial intelligence, is breaking barriers that have long excluded people with hearing impairment, the deaf community. By combining this technology, this AI, the use of AI in its purest form, in its truest form, by combining this AI in their purest form, use of mobile connectivity at the grassroots level, this initiative has truly ensured that no one is left behind in the moment of crisis, and also to include them in all sort of communication, specifically in disaster management. Lastly, I'll be quick, because the words will not do justice with what the action that we have just witnessed. I want to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the Connect Here team, to Yufon team, for making sure that this project reaches to the people who have been excluded for a very long time. Today, it's not just a product launch, it's not just a project event, but it's a statement of what's possible when technology listens and includes and connects us all. Thank you very much.